Okay, good afternoon everyone. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Yes, yo yo yo. So for today's videos is we will tackle about the differential equation, which is the linear type of solution. Okay, we have two types of standard form here, which is the linear in y. For the standard form of the linear in y, we have here is this one is dx over dy, which is dy over dx plus y times the p function of x is equals to q times the function of x. Okay, so that's for the linear in y. Okay, so for the general form, so yung tinatawag nating yes products at saka ano ba yun? Quekes products or y times e raised to integral of p of x times the dx is equals to integral of q times the function of x times e raised to integral of p of x dx times the dx plus c. So, ibig sabihin, so this is the linear in y in general form. Okay? So, when it comes to linear in x, so makikita natin, it should be dx over dy. Compared to linear in y, dy over dx, because we're pertaining to y in this part, and in this section is dx over dy. So, for the linear in x, so dx over dy plus x times the p function of y is equals to q of y. Wherein the general form of this one is x e raised to p of y dy is equals to integral of q of y times e integral of p of y dy times dy plus c. So this is the standard form and general form for the linear type of solution. Okay? So for where this one, the e raised to px dx or the e raised to integral of py dy is said to be the integrating factor, or which is known as the Euler's multiplier. Okay, so this is the basis for our linear type solution. Okay, for example number 1, we have here is solve the equation x dy over dx plus y is equals to x raised to 3. So, given this equation, so makikita natin this equation is linear in y. Why? Because dy over dx is pertaining to dy over dx. So, basically guys, if we will encounter this kind of equation, dapat ipupunta natin siya sa gantong solution because we are dy over dx plus y p of x is equals to q of x. So, for this one, meron tayong x dito. Okay? So, kailangan natin siyang kumbaga ilipat or eliminate sa part na to. Okay? So, for the solution, again, so we have here is the x for the solution. We have here is the x dy over dx plus y is equals to 3. So, paano natin ito ma-eliminate? By multiplying both sides by 1 over x. So, meaning this one is dy over dx plus y over x is equals to x over 3, x raised to 3 over x, which is this is x squared. Okay? So, lalagay natin siya sa standard form niya. So, dy over dx plus 1 over x y is equals to x squared. So, sa part na to, our p of x is equals to 1 over x. Okay? And the q of x is equals to x squared because this one is our x squared. Okay, so by substituting this value to this one, which is the yes products, okay, Tinatawag natin yes products tsaka quest products. Okay? So, for substitution, so mangyayari po niyan is y times e raised to integral of dx over x is equals to, ang value ng q of x natin is x squared times e integral of dx over x, kasi ang natin ay ang p of x is 1 over x dx, okay, plus c. So if we will integrate this one, so y e raised to ln of x is equals to integral of x squared e raised to ln of x dx. Okay, as you can see, this function of a logarithm exponential, so e raised to ln of x is equals to yung nasa loob ng ln, so magiging y x is equals to x squared times x dx. So magiging xy is equals to integral of x cubed dx. So in the integral of x raised to 3 is equals to x to the 4th over 4 plus c. So this is your final answer. So you can simplify this one by cross multiply. So magiging, sige, pwede na natin itong simplify, or so magiging y is equals to x cubed over 4 plus c. So I will consider this one. Okay? So for the bonus question, we have here is again a 6-digit code. The first code will be 2. Okay? So just continue watching and you will see the next code. Okay? Okay, for number 2, we have here is solve the equation x raised to 5 plus 3y dx minus x dy is equals to 0. Okay? So, as you can see, hindi natin makita yung standard form niya. So, rearrange natin. So, if we will rearrange this one, so magiging x raised to 5 plus 3y dx is equals to x dy. So, ayaw natin, i-cross multiply, pag-transpose or i-cross multiply. So, x raised to 5 plus 3y over x is equals to dy over dx. So, dy over dx is equals to x to the 4th, kasi x raised to 5 over x is x to the 4th, so plus 3y over x. So as we can see, this ito yung chance na pwede ito yung q of x at ito yung p of x. So magiging dy over dx minus 3 of x times y is equals to x to the 4th. So bakit ko hiniwalay ang y? Kasi because dun sa ating original equation, which is yung this one, so kailangan nakabuod yung y para at least mas makita natin kagad. Okay? So for the value of p of x, so ang value ng p of x natin dito is equals to negative 3 over x. And the q of x, it is equals to x to the 4th because nandun siya sa kabilang part. Okay? For the solution, we simply substitute yung nakuha nating value ng px at saka ng qx doon sa general form natin, which is yung yes products. Yan, ito. Yes products at saka yung qxx products. Okay? So y, so linear in y tayo kasi dy over dx yung nakuha natin. So y e raised to integral of negative 3 dx over x is equals to q of x natin is x to the 4th times e raised to integral of negative 3 dx over x dx plus c. Okay? So wala pa palang plus c. Okay? So for the solution, so integral of 3x dx is ln of x. So magiging y e raised to negative 3 ln of x is equals to integral of x to the fourth e raised to negative 3 ln of x dx. Okay? So, sa logarithm function, so magiging y is y e raised to ln of x raised to negative 3 x to the fourth e raised to ln of x raised to negative 3 dx. Okay, by the properties of the logarithm, so this is equal to y x raised to negative 3 equals to x to the fourth, okay, times x raised to negative 3 dx. So if we will simplify this one, so x over x raised to 3 is equals to integral of x to the fourth over x cubed dx. So this cancel. So integral of x dx is x squared over 2. Okay? So plus c. So if we will simplify this one, so magiging 2y is equals to x cubed, same base, so mag-add yung ating exponent, x raised to 5 plus c. So yan. Okay, so this is our final answer. Okay? So for the second digit code, the next digit code for the bonus question is 3. Okay. Okay, for number 3 equation, we have here is the solve the equation dy over dx plus 2xy is equals to 0. So basically guys, if you will see this equation, this is a linear in y equation of this is a linear in y, which is ito na yung dy over dx mo, tapos pwede ka na makakuha dito ng ano. So simply guys, magiging pwede natin dito i-identify kagad yung p of x natin. So ang p of x natin dito is said to be 2x, and the q of x is equals to 0 because this one sa part na to 0 yung ating q of x. So for the solution, okay, so we can simply substitute these values to general form, which is the linear in y. So yung yes products ulit. So if we will substitute this one, so y e raised to integral of 2x dx is equals to, ang q of x natin is 0 times e raised to integral of 2x dx. Okay, so this one is equals to 0 because 0 times e raised to 2x dx is 0. So magiging integral ng 2x dx is x squared over 2 times 2 is cancel yung 2, so magiging y is equals to e raised to x squared is equals to c. So basically guys, ito na yung final answer natin. Okay? So ganun lang po kadali yung linear type of equation natin. So for the third digit code we have here is number 1. Again, 1. Okay? For number 4, okay, so for number 4, I have here is a solved equation. Ayan, so basically lang, madali lang dy over dx plus y is equals to e raised to 2x. Okay? So for this one, so the p of x is equals to 1 and the q of x is equals to e raised to 2x. So basically guys, pag mahirap yung equation natin, ang gagawin lang natin is to rearrange it and then identify the value of p of x and the value of q of x. Okay? So for the solution, I have here is the yes products. Okay? So ayan, pwede natin siyang gamitin dito. Yung yes products natin. So magiging y e raised to integral of p of x natin, which is 1 dx, is equals to q e raised to 2x times e raised to integral of 1 times dx. Okay? So, for this one, the integral of dx is x. So, y e raised to x is equals to integral of e raised to 2x times e raised to x dx. So, same base, basic algebra. So, simply add the exponent if the same base. So, magiging y e raised to x is equals to integral of e raised to 3x dx. Okay? So, sa case na to, integration na to, so we will let the value of u as 3x. So, derivative of u is equals to 3 dx. So, du over 3 is equals to dx. So, magiging 1/3 e raised to 3x plus c. So, y equals to e raised to... So, this is your final answer. So, maybe we can simplify this one by... So, e raised to 3x over 3 e raised to x. So, same base, lipat natin siya doon. So, your final answer here will be y is equals to e raised to 2x over 3 plus c. So, this is your final answer. Okay? So, for the 4-digit code I have here is number 10. Okay? Good luck! Okay, for number 5, so I have here is solve the equation x plus 3y times the derivative of x minus x dy is equals to 0. So, if we will, ang kailangan po natin is naka-standard form, which is dy over dx, or, so you can see this one, so dy over dx plus p of x or equals to q of x, or maaari sa dalawa. So, if we will arrange this one, so, okay, so, x plus 3y is equal, x plus 3y times dx equals to x dy. So, magiging x plus 3y is over x is equals to dy over dx. So, basically, na-identify na natin that this is a linear in y equation of differential equation. Okay? So, if we will continue to rearrange to simplify this one, so dy over dx is equals to 1 plus 3y over x. So, magiging dy over dx, kasi kailangan natin mapunta sa standard form, minus 3 over x times y is equal to 1. So, basically, guys, the p of x here will be negative 3 over x. And the q of x is equals to 1. Okay? So, for the solution, we can use again the linear in y, which is the yes products, and the q size products. Okay? So, we can use this one. So, if we will substitute the values of p of x and the q of x for this one, so we will equate this one as y times e raised to integral of negative 3 dx over x is equal to integral of 1 times e raised to integral of 3 dx over x dx. Okay? So, just continue lang natin. So, y is equals to dx over x is negative 3 ln of x equals to integral of e raised to negative 3 ln of x dx. Okay? So, properties again ng logarithm. So, y, ito po ay pwedeng maging x raised to 3. So, maging e raised to x raised to negative 3 is equals to integral of e ln of x raised to 3. So, meron po siyang ln dx. Okay? So, again, properties of logarithm uli. So, y times x raised to negative 3, it is equal to integral of x raised to negative 3 dx. So, y over x raised to negative 3. So, integral of this one is x raised to negative 3 plus 1, which is negative 2 over negative 2 plus c. So, kung ano natin, so magiging y is equals to x raised to negative 2 times x raised to negative 3 over negative 2 plus c, or your final answer here will be y is equals to 1 over negative 1 over 2x raised to 5 plus c. Okay? So this is your final answer. Okay? So for the 5th digit code, we will use this as 7. Okay, for number 6 equation, we have here is to solve the equation of 2 times y minus 4x squared times the derivative of x plus x dy is equals to 0. So, if we will rearrange this one, so kailangan kasi natin papuntahin dun sa standard form na hinihingi ni DE na equation. Okay? So, for the standard form, I have here is, kung i-rearrange natin siya, so i-distribute natin yung 2. So, 2y minus 8x squared. Okay? So, the derivative of x plus x dy is equals to 0. So, 2y, distribute ang natin again. Kailangan natin makuha yung dy over dx or dx over dy. So, ang mangyayari po dyan, so magiging 2y minus 8x squared dx is equals to negative x dy over dx. Okay? So, transpose lang natin to. So, mawawala na to. Okay? So, mawawala na po itong dx na to. Okay? So, if we will transpose natin yung negative x, so 2y minus 8x squared over negative x is equals to dy over dx. So, nakikita na natin dito yung standard form ng equation. So, dy over dx is equal to 2 over y is to negative x plus 8x. So, kita transpose natin siya, dy over dx plus 2y over x is equals to 8x. So, makikita natin dito, the value of p of x will be 2 over x. And the q of x here is 8x. Okay? So, for the solution, we can substitute the value of p of x and the q of x to the general form. Okay? So, the general form, again, is this products and so and so. So, for the value of, we will be having the value of p of x is 2 over x. So, magiging integral of 2 dx over x is equals to integral of, ang value ng q of x natin is 8x raised to integral of 2 dx over x dx plus c. So, may plus pa siya. Mamaya ko nalalagay. So, if we will simplify this one, so y, because raised to 2 ln of x, okay, is equals to 8x raised to 2 ln of x dx. So, mamaya ko na po lalagay yung plus c. Okay? Sige, lagyan ko na. So, lagyan po rin natin. Okay? So for properties again of logarithm, so magiging y is equals to, pwede po natin siyang gawiting e raised to ln of x squared is equals to integral of 8x e raised to ln of x squared. So magiging makakancel tong e kasi meron sa taas. So y x squared is equals to integral of 8x times, okay, makakancel dito, x squared dx. So if we will this one, if we will simplify this one, so magiging y x squared is equals to the integral of 8x cubed is 8 times x raised to 4 over 4 plus c. So cancel this one, so naka-squared siya. So y x squared is equals to x to the 4th over 4, so hindi siya naka-over. So kasi nga ito na lang siya, plus c. So if we will simplify this one, our final answer will be y is equals to 2x to the 4th over x squared. Cancel this one. So magiging ito lang siya, so plus c. Your final answer here is y is equals to 2x squared plus c. So this is your final answer. Okay? So for the last digit code and the 6-digit code is said to be dapat ay 9. Okay? Good luck. Okay, so I think that's all for the subject, the topic. So I hope that you understand this one. So again, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you guys. Bye.